And so I suggest that we act decisively at 3 levels. And the first one is that globally, we must champion a new health governance architecture that reflects a multipolar, digitally interconnected, climate-challenged world. Health governance must be democratic, it must be just, and it must be fit for the 21st century realities. The second one is that regionally, Africa must scale up its homegrown solutions. The Africa CDC, the African Medicine Agency, the African Continental Free Trade Area Health Corridors, and the AUDA NEPAD Resilience Agenda. These are all things that we need to scale up. And then nationally, we must execute not merely plans. This requires political will, domestic resource mobilization, and as DG Tedros said, effective leadership. So success is going to depend on our scaling innovations like PanaBios for digital health verification and pandemic preparedness, Proper for transparent medical supply chains, and BioNovac to transform vaccine production from molecules to the market. And what are the new commitments? Today I'm pleased to announce 2 significant commitments. The first is the Presidential High-Level Task Force on Global Health Governance. This will be a convening platform to engage global and continental partners to redesign the health governance systems for the world we live in now, not the world of yesterday. The second will be the launch of the Sustain Initiative, and this means scaling up sovereign transitions and institutional networks. This is a bold African-led platform that will align our national budgets with our health priorities, will mobilize sovereign, diaspora, and philanthropic capital into our health systems. It will foster cross-border learning, innovation, and accountability. And I extend an open invitation to all nations represented here to join us in building an African health investment ecosystem that is driven by purpose and is powered by equity and anchored in our sovereignty. And so, to conclude, the Accra Declaration for Health Sovereignty that we are discussing in this summit is more than a policy forum. It is a moral call to action. It is a strategic milestone and a continent-wide awakening. And I wish to thank all those who have stood with us in this journey, the Afro Champions, the African Union, the Rockefeller Foundation, the Georgetown University, the Obasanjo Foundation. Your partnership reflects the new multilateralism the world needs, grounded in co-creation, not extraction, and based on mutual respect for each other and not charity.